What is up, guys? Back to another video. So today we got new ringtones on my phone, as you can tell there. So I'm gonna play one. S2. S3. Four, Over the Horizon S4. Okay, S6. Should I have what I'm recording on? Mine's a tablet S6. Okay. This tablet doesn't allow ringtones, but when I prank call, I can see it. It's like fake pizza, something like that. I also woke up an hour ago because I was dreaming about Mewtwo, Articuno, moltrees, and zapdos, which are out today. Started today. That's 7. Alright, guys, I'm back. Sorry, because my dog was yelling. So let's turn this back on. Alright, so we got S8 now. Callie! I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. My phone just turned off when Okay, hold on. Dude. Alright, guys, I'm back. My dog doesn't bark again. You too. Yeah, I'm talking to you guys. I am talking to you guys. And why are you drinking out the puppy's bowl, Callie? Okay, let's start off again. Hold on, I need my fingerprint. I'm gonna say fingerprint. Alright, S9. It's gonna be out 1 this time, okay? Because of that Over the Horizon, of like the actual one on mine is hecka loud, so I'm gonna turn it down that much, and it's gonna be loud, okay? So I don't wanna like hurt you guys' ears by listening it through the mic. So let's turn it on. S10. Notification really gotta mess me like that, bro. Fine. I just play the S20. Where's it at? Hold on, let me find it. I can't find it. Dang it. Bruh. It's not on here. Did I minus it? Minus means that I deleted it. Oh my god. S9, S8, S7, S6, S4, S3, S2, S1. I did delete it. Alright then, I'm gonna go on Zedge. Let's download this again. Oopsie. I didn't mean to do it twice. Okay. I did not want to show that because I didn't know what it does. What do I do? I got it. Where's it at? Dude! Oh my god. Let me try to find this. Okay, there you go. Alright, we got it. So we're gonna turn this up now. I'm not trying to be rude to you guys, but whoever has an iPhone, I don't like. I'm not gonna say it to you guys if you have an iPhone, but I just do not like iPhone. Also, guys, do you like my wallpaper? Do you like my wallpaper? Godzilla. Sorry about that light. That's in my Xbox video. Sorry about that light. Alright, hold on. Let's see here. We got that. I'll be right. Gotta show you guys. Oops. Sorry, guys. Why is this S6 game so bad? Ooh, what's here? Let's check if one of these are shiny. Guys, invite me to the purple lights, okay? Alright. Oh, Geodude! Shiny? Oh, dang it, bro, that surprised me. Dang it! Alright, I'm gonna throw an incense. I'm gonna pop an incense and see if I can get any shinies, alright? I'll tell you when I unpause the video. Oh! 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 Dang it! Articuno? What are you guys at right now? What? Guys, what the heck? This one just got made. Dude, it's on it. Oh. Not stupid. Stupid. Dude. Alright, guys. Just invite me to these eggs. Alright. Okay. Zapdos? Come on, dang it! Dude, I'm done. Guys, invite me to these. Okay? Are you listening to me, man? Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna check if there's I'm gonna wait till there's any Mewtwo's. Alright, peace.